Have you ever heard of a discovery that shocked the whole world? Well, what if I told you that a team of researchers in Siberia found something that was so incredible it made headlines across the globe? This discovery was a frozen creature that had been extinct for tens of thousands of years. In this video, we're going to dive into what they discovered frozen in Siberia, how it was found, and why it has stunned scientists and the public alike. Get ready to learn about an amazing discovery that reminds us just how much we still have to explore and discover in our world. The creature that was found in Siberia was a mammoth. This mammoth had been frozen in time for tens of thousands of years, and its discovery is a game changer for the scientific community. The mammoth was incredibly well preserved, which means that scientists can learn a lot about this extinct species and the environment it lived in. The discovery of this mammoth is particularly exciting because it provides scientists with a window into the past. By studying its DNA and remains, they can learn more about the mammoth's diet, habitat, and physical characteristics. This information can help scientists better understand the behavior and evolution of the mammoth and the environment it inhabited. Furthermore, the discovery of the mammoth also helps scientists learn more about the world at the time. By studying the vegetation found in the mammoth's stomach, scientists can learn more about the climate and ecology of the time. For example, if the mammoth ate a lot of grass, scientists can infer that the region was probably a grassland at the time. The mammoth also provides scientists with an opportunity to study the evolution of the species. Scientists have long been interested in the evolutionary history of the mammoth, and this discovery provides new information that could help fill in the gaps in our understanding of the species. The discovery of the mammoth is important not just for the scientific community, but for the general public as well. The mammoth is an iconic species that has fascinated people for centuries. Its discovery and preservation provide an opportunity for people to learn more about this incredible animal and the environment in which it lived. Finally, the discovery of the mammoth is important because it highlights the value of protecting our environment. The mammoth was preserved in the permafrost, which is an indicator of the fragile state of the environment. As global warming continues to take its toll, we run the risk of losing more species and more opportunities to learn about our planet's past. The discovery of the mammoth should serve as a reminder of the importance of protecting our environment and the incredible wonders that are waiting to be discovered. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia was a stroke of luck, but it was also the result of years of research and dedication. The mammoth was discovered by a team of researchers who were conducting a routine survey of the area. They were exploring a remote area of Siberia that had not been extensively studied before. As they were surveying the area, they stumbled upon the mammoth. The researchers were amazed by what they saw. They realized that they had discovered something truly special. The mammoth was incredibly well preserved, and it was clear that it had been frozen in time for tens of thousands of years. Getting the mammoth out of the permafrost was a delicate process that involved using special tools to chip away at the ice. The researchers worked carefully and slowly, knowing that they had to preserve the mammoth as much as possible. It took them several days to extract the mammoth from the permafrost, but eventually they were able to free it. Once the mammoth was extracted, it was carefully transported to a lab where it could be studied. Scientists immediately began to study the mammoth's remains, looking for clues about its diet, habitat, and physical characteristics. They were able to extract DNA samples from the mammoth's remains, which provided new information about the evolutionary history of the species. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia has been a source of excitement for the scientific community, but it has also sparked interest among the general public. The mammoth is an iconic species, and its discovery has captured the imagination of people around the world. One of the reasons why the discovery of the mammoth is so important is that it provides a glimpse into a world that existed tens of thousands of years ago. It reminds us of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on this planet over time. It also highlights the fragility of our environment and the need to protect it for future generations. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia is a testament to the power of scientific research and exploration. It shows us that there is still so much to learn about our planet and its history. And who knows what other incredible discoveries are waiting to be made. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia is shocking for several reasons. First and foremost, it is a reminder of just how much we still have to learn about the world. The fact that a creature as large and well known as a mammoth could remain hidden for tens of thousands of years is a testament to the vastness of our planet and the limits of our understanding. The discovery of the mammoth is also shocking because it proves that there are still ancient creatures out there waiting to be found. For years, scientists have been studying the fossils and remains of ancient species, trying to learn more about the world as it existed thousands or millions of years ago. But the discovery of the mammoth shows us that there is still so much more to discover. The mammoth is an iconic species that has fascinated people for centuries. Its discovery and preservation provide an opportunity for people to learn more about this incredible animal and the environment in which it lived. This is why the discovery of the mammoth is so important. It reminds us of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on this planet over time. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia is also a reminder of the importance of protecting our environment. The mammoth was preserved in the permafrost, which is an indicator of the fragile state of the environment. As global warming continues to take its toll, we run the risk of losing more species and more opportunities to learn about our planet's past. The discovery of the mammoth should serve as a reminder of the importance of protecting our environment and the incredible wonders that are waiting to be discovered. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia has had a huge impact on the scientific community. It has opened up new avenues of research and provided scientists with a wealth of new data to study. This data has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the world and its history. The discovery of the mammoth has practical applications as well. By studying the mammoth's DNA, scientists can learn more about its genetic makeup and the traits that made it unique. This information can be used to inform our understanding of genetics and evolution and could have applications in medicine and other fields. The discovery of the mammoth has also had a cultural impact. It has captured the imagination of people around the world and sparked a renewed interest in this iconic species. The mammoth has long been a subject of fascination, and its discovery in Siberia has reignited people's curiosity about this incredible animal. Finally, the discovery of the mammoth in Siberia has the potential to inspire future research and exploration. It shows us that there is still so much to learn about our planet and its history, and that science has the power to change the way we see the world. Who knows what other incredible discoveries are waiting to be made? The preservation of the mammoth is a remarkable feat. It was able to remain intact for tens of thousands of years because it was frozen in the permafrost. This natural freezing process helped to prevent decomposition and allowed the mammoth to be preserved in remarkable detail. The preservation of the mammoth is incredibly valuable to the scientific community because it provides a unique opportunity to study an extinct species. By studying the mammoth, scientists can learn more about its anatomy, diet, and habitat, as well as the environment in which it lived. Preserving the mammoth is not without its challenges. The mammoth is incredibly delicate, and it must be handled with extreme care to prevent damage or deterioration. The permafrost that helped to preserve the mammoth is also at risk due to global warming, which could threaten the preservation of other ancient species. The preservation of the mammoth is a reminder of the importance of protecting our environment. The permafrost that preserved the mammoth is an indicator of the fragile state of our planet, and it is up to us to take action to protect it. By preserving our environment, we can protect not only the incredible wonders of the past, but also the wonders of the future. The discovery of the mammoth in Siberia has been a game changer for the scientific community and has sparked interest and curiosity in people around the world. We've explored what was found, how it was discovered, why this discovery is so important, and its impact on the scientific community, cultural significance, and potential for future research. If you found this video informative and intriguing, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Let's spread awareness about the importance of scientific research and environmental conservation. And let's keep our eyes open for the next incredible discovery waiting to be made.